Question 10. Two persons could fit new windows in a house in 3 days. So one is, we have been asked is, one of the person fell ill before the work started. How long would the job take now? And second, how many persons would be needed to fit the windows in 1 day? Here two persons were doing of fitting the new window in 3 days. One person got ill, so now the number of person is 1. So how long it would take? As the number of person is decreasing here, the days will increase to fit new windows. So here it is inversely proportional to each other. And second, here how many persons would be needed to fit the window in 1 day? Again here number of days has been decreased to 1 day. So basically the number of people required to fit the new window will increase. So in both the case it is inversely proportional to each other. So number of persons we will take it as x and number of days we will take it as y. So if number of persons are 2, that is x1, the work will get complete in 3 days, that is y1. And now one person is less, one person got ill, so 2 minus 1 will be 1. So this will be our x2 and y2 is the number of days we have to find out. As it is inversely proportional to each other, the formula we will use is of inversely proportional. So x1 y1 will be equal to x2 y2. Here x1 is 2 multiplied by y1 is 3, x2 is 1 multiplied by y2 we have to find out. Therefore y2 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 1, that is equal to 6 days. So one person can fit the new window in 6 days. Second, we have been asked is how many persons would be needed to fit the window in 1 day. So here I will change number of days, we will consider it as x now, and number of persons we will consider it as y. So when number of days is 3, 2 persons are required to fit the window, and if number of days is 1, how many persons we will require, that we have to find out. So this will be x1, this will be y1, this will be x2 and y2 we have to find out. So we already know that this is inversely proportional, so we will use the inversely proportional formula, that is x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by x1 y1 will be equal to x2 y2. Therefore what is x1 here? This is 3 multiplied by y1 is 2 will be equal to x2 is 1 and y2 we have to find out. Therefore y2 will be equal to 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 1, that is equal to 6 persons. Here 6 persons will be required to fit the new window in just 1 day.